Now, let's sing another song. Now, everybody here has a name. Okay, you have a name. Meron ka ring name. And I have a name. And all of us have a name. Now, meron tayong lahat na pangalan. Now, we are going to sing. Everybody here has a name. Oh, yes. Everybody here has a name. Oh, yes. Your name is Clark Kent. This is Clark Kent. What is his name? Clark Kent. Or you can call him Clark. Anong pangalan niya? Clark. Okay, next. Your name is Kate. This is Kate. And your name is Marie. What is her name? Marie. And your name is Grace. Okay, this is Grace. Okay, let's repeat. Everybody here has a name. Oh, yes. Everybody here has a name. Oh, yes. Your name is Grace. And your name is Marie. And your name is Kate. And your name is Clark. Okay, clap your hands for them. Okay, you may now take your seat. Okay, next. Let's sing another one. Everybody here has a name. Oh, yes. Everybody here has a name. Oh, yes. Your name is Joshua. This is Joshua. What is his name? Joshua. And your name is Rose. Okay, this is Rose. Okay. And your name is Shekinah. This is Ivana Carmela Cueto. Okay. Okay. And your name is Trisha. Who's at your back, Trisha? Okay. Now let's sing the song again. Go. Everybody here has a name. Oh, yes. Everybody here has a name. Oh, yes. Your